What's up guys, today we are looking at this Moblink clear gel phone case. So I got this from my S20 Ultra. It says S11 Plus, but we will see. We will see indeed. So it looks like it was already opened because somebody wrote that there. Instructions here: strictly selected material, advanced processing technique, exclusive design with diverse color choices, complete protection and enhanced shock protection. Designed in the UK but made in China. I think these companies are just registering in the UK, but everything is all China based. It comes, I don't know, extra plastic, don't need. S20 Ultra. Plastic, styrofoam. See, this says the S11 Plus. We'll see. Actually, it looks like it's been used, or I can see somebody's fingerprint right there. That's the thing when you order from these Amazon sellers, because Amazon doesn't have a verified something going on with the top here. Okay, so I have my S20 Ultra right here. Let's test it out. It fits. There seems to be like dirt or something. It's kind of hard to see. Or is that just moisture? Something weird going on there. Yeah, there's scratches along the back here. Fingerprint here. Camera does fit. But see, it says here S11 Plus. S11 Plus. And I noticed that these bumpers aren't as raised as I would think. Yeah, the screen is hitting it. Actually, it is not a perfect fit. Seems to be like it should go over just a tiny bit, because if, let me just try to get the angle. The screen actually pops up from the cover like these, maybe 1 millimeter raise, when it says on the site how much should be raised. It should, it says 1.3 millimeter raise up to protect the screen. Has a different phone there, but this is the case that I kind of want. I don't want the big bulky chunky ones, but yeah, it says S11 Plus. I think the dimensions are close. Leave in the comment section down below what's the difference between the S11 and the S20 Ultra. Sorry, the S11 Plus. This is the S11 Plus case. S11 Plus right there. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.